What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and today we're going to review the Opove M3 massage gun, and we're going to do it right now. Alright, so one of the cool things is it comes in this really nice case, and it's a pretty hard case. It has a zipper on it, a handle, you can actually walk around with it. It actually has the name on it, which I think is really cool because this actually is a good place to just keep your gun and all the attachments. I'm going to show you about the attachments too. So we'll open it up, and it comes with, this is what it comes with. All right, so it comes with the actual gun. I'm going to take it out. I'll put this down for a moment. So here's the actual massage gun, and it's pretty sturdy. It's a really nice massage gun, and when you get this, it actually comes with 5 different heads, which I'm going to go over in a minute what you use them for. And so the heads will go in here when you actually do the massage. So I'm going to show you those 5 heads, and then it also comes with a charger so you can charge it up. So it's very simple. The charger is right here, and you can see it's just a normal charger. I think most of us could figure this out. You just plug that in there, you plug this into the wall, and you plug this part into the bottom part of the handle. So you'll see this right here. You just plug it in and you charge it. And what I would suggest is when you get it, charge this thing for approximately 2 hours, and then you will have a full charge. And once it has a full charge, it's gonna last actually 4 hours. So that's really great. And the on and off switch is also here. So obviously when you want to use it, you'll turn it on. And one of the nice things is it will actually turn off automatically. If you leave it on, it will actually turn off automatically in 15 minutes, mainly for safety purposes, but also to save the battery. Now there are 2 buttons on the back of the gun. So on the bottom, that's where the on-off switch is and where you plug it in. But then on the back of this part, there's actually a screen and there's 2 buttons. So to actually turn it on, you turn it on from the bottom. So I'll turn it on and I'll show you. The screen will then light up and it says 0 right there. There are 2 buttons, one with an M on it and one with a plus. So the M is the mode, and you can put it in either automatic or you can put it in manual. And for the purpose of this, I'm going to put it in manual. Manual just means it's just going to stay at 1 speed when you pick the speed. Automatic, it's going to actually change the speed up and down as you go through, and it's based on where you pick the speed. So the little plus button changes the speed, and you'll see right now it says 0, and if I hit this, it's going to go to 1, and if I hit it again, it's going to go to 2. You can hear that it's actually getting faster, 3, and 4, and then once you cycle through that, you hit it again, it'll actually turn back off. Now at 1, the speed number 1, it's going at about 2,000 pulses per minute, and when you use speed number 2, it's going to go at 2,500, and at speed number 3, it's going to be 2,900, and at speed number 4 is at 3,300. And again, that'll fluctuate if you pick the automatic, because it's going to go up and down a little bit, somewhat close to those ranges. All right, now when it comes to the attachments, I'm going to just show you the 5 attachments that are in the kit, and then I'm going to show you what it's like to put it on the gun itself. So these are the attachments. This one right here, which looks pretty big, this is for bulk massage groups. So it's basically for like your waist or your back, your butt, and for your calves, and it's just an overall great one. I use this one all the time. Now this one, this is a little bit more pointed, almost like a bullet. This one is actually for really getting in. If you know about trigger point therapy, really getting in deep, this one's good. It's hard, so this one is gonna hurt, but it hurts really good, and you're gonna really love the way it feels, because it feels fantastic. But it's really for getting into like some precise areas where you have trouble. And we all know, if we all do foam rolling and stuff like that, we all know that we have areas that need a little bit more love than other areas, and this gives you some love. Might be strong love, but it's good stuff. Now this one is hard too. It's a little flat. So this one is used just for like muscle relaxation. It's really great if you just want to like just relax and have this thing just hit you on the back. If someone can actually help you on their back, or just anywhere you want to do it, this is really a nice one just to relax your body. So that's what the flat one normally is for. Now this one's interesting because it's got 2 points, and it's actually used to go around 2 different muscles. So a really good place to do it is on your spine, and so you'll get it like, you'll have these things on opposite sides of your spine or your neck, where you're, you know, because you don't want to be on the bone, but you want to be on the muscle. So the muscle's on both sides of those bones, and this does a great job of just hitting that area. And there's other areas too, like the Achilles heel. It's really good for the Achilles heel because you can get in between the muscles that are in between that Achilles tendon. And so this really works really well in areas like that. And the last one is a little bit soft. This one's really soft, and you can see that I could really push it in. So it's a little bit different than the other ones. And so if you have any sensitive areas that, you know, the other ones are really kind of hurting a little bit, this is the one to use, and it's a lot softer. So it's gonna hit you a lot less. So it's gonna feel a little better. So let me show you what it's like to put one of these on the gun and to actually use the gun. Okay, so just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the first one I went over, which is for overall muscle types and usually for bigger muscles. So I'm going to use that one. And all you really do is you push it on and you give it a little twist, and it's going to stay there. You don't have, there's nothing that locks in or anything like that. It's on. You just want to make sure you push it in pretty good and give it a little twist, and it's going to be on. And I'm going to keep this on manual, and I'm just going to hit the button, and I'm going to knock it up to 3. So right now it's on 3. Let me get it over here. Oh, yeah, okay, you can see it's on 3. And I'm just going to show you, all you do is you just hit them. Ooh, I can feel that. And, you know, I did a chest routine yesterday, so I'm feeling it because I'm a bit tight there because I was doing chest. And I mean, that really feels good. And if I want to, I can go up to 4. I can hit the other side. That feels good. I'm going to show you a little bit the back. It's a little hard to do it on your own back, so what I would recommend is probably having someone help you out with that. But I'm going to put in that one. And the way I took it out is I just kind of twisted and pulled, so that's the way you get it out. So it's pretty easy. But you can see that's the one that I would use on the spine and the neck. And again, I recommend probably having a friend do this, but I'm going to put it on 2. And you can see so again, I probably would recommend a friend doing that for you, but that really felt good, I have to tell you. And I'm going to turn it off. So I have to you have to cycle through. So you have to go up from 2. It's not going to go back down to 1 or 0. You have to go 2, 3, 4, and then you knock it down to 0. So that's the main thing of the gun, and I'll tell you, it feels awesome. And I use it on a lot of things. I really use it on my calf because my calf is really, really tight, and so it really helps my calf out. And I'll just use that bulk muscle one on my calf. And I will also use that trigger point one, the one that looks more like a bullet. This one a lot when I have areas that really, really need to get a deeper type of massage. So that one was great for that. But I really highly recommend it. It is awesome. So if you're thinking about it, I do have a link in the description that you can go to and purchase this thing. And also I have a discount code that you can use so you could save 15% on the gun. And hey, you know, that's great. You know, so go check it out, look at the other reviews, and go ahead and order it. I don't think you will be sorry if you order this gun. I think it's just awesome, and it really, really does massage you in a great way. If you think about how much it costs to get a massage therapist, it costs an awful lot. I mean, you're paying probably, you know, $60 to $100 every session. Well, this you're paying for one time, and you have it, and you can use it multiple times. And if you have a spouse or a friend or a boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, then they can help you hit the back part of you, and you can actually take turns hitting each other with it. And it's just going to feel great, and you're going to get that benefit of that great massage and that trigger point therapy, and you're going to own the gun. So it's going to be really, really awesome in that way. And that's all I had for this video. And if you have any comments or any questions or anything like that, pop them in the comments below, and I will meet you there soon, and I will try to answer all those questions that I best can. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and that way YouTube knows to push this video out to others that can benefit from it. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. And if you know anybody who can use healthy living videos, make sure you share this video and the channel with them so they can join in on all the fun. And for more tips on how to live a happier, healthier life, 2 videos are going to pop up any moment, and you can click on any of those videos and you can continue your happy, healthy living journey. And I will see you all next time.